Hi, Kathy from kathyskutekreations with my granddaughter, Megan. And we're going to do two things. So, early this morning, I told you about the quilters, the Ginger Quilter Box. So, I'm going to tell you again.
You didn't tell me about it.
All right. So, today, the 23rd.
Did we get a free bottle of ginger?
No. And tomorrow, the 24th, if you sign up for either one of these days, you get $5 off.
Ooh.
If you use the code IC STARS, all in caps, and you get $5 off your first box. But the big thing is the bonus.
How do you get that $5?
I know, but the printer didn't print it out correctly, so I'm ad-libbing and wrote all over my paper. So the bonus is the Ghost Buddy pattern kit comes extra for these 2 days, today and tomorrow. Anyway, next announcement. Oh, wait a minute, no. So it's the opening of her subscription is today, the 23rd, through the 28th. But today and tomorrow, today and tomorrow are the special days to get the bonus little kit with the ghost. Now, for the next announcement, for all those lucky ladies that watched my video from beginning to end of the Fort Worth Fabric Studio that I put together, the assembly.
Or she's not, I don't know.
I asked you if you wanted a kit, and I had 7 people say they wanted the kit. Here's 7 names, and we're going to do a drawing, and I'll tell you which one you are. So Megan's going to do the counter.
It's called a random number generator.
A random number generator.
Ninner? The blue button.
So here we go, ladies.
Bam.
1. Angela, wait a minute. Charlotte, Vicky, Gigi, Jody, Pat, and Jean all asked for the kit. And if you saw the announcement, it's number 1.
I already said that.
Oh, I didn't know that. Okay, hold on 1 second. Congratulations, number 1. So, I lost my train of thought. Oh, gosh.
I'm sorry.
Shoot.
I'm sorry.
It's wet right out. Oh, gosh. Oh, I know what it was. It's the Halloween mystery kit from the Fort Worth Fabric Studios. That's what it is. They announced it, I think, last week. They said they've got some kind of spooky Halloween or something. I just got a little bit of it because I was so busy looking at all the Lilacia Love quilts. So, number 1, and guess who you are, number 1?
It's not me, unfortunately, because she won't put my name in these things.
Angela Stoutinger, you're number 1. You won. So send me your information because I don't keep anybody's information. I'm sorry. It all goes through the shredder. So send me your...
She don't save nothing. You know what she saves? She saves her children.
There you go. Okay. So email me.
Oh, you don't save
Kathy's
your grandchildren?
Yeah, I do. You're
I
part of my children. kathyskutekreations at gmail.com. And put your phone number there in case I lose the darn thing, because I'm really bad about that. But because the only reason I have you put your phone number is if I get to the post office and I go to mail it, and all of a sudden they go, well, this isn't what the zip code says it is. And it's like, you know what? I know. They've done that like 3 or 4 times. I said, that's what they tell me. And so I can call you up real quick or text you and say, hey, is this really your zip code? One time it was wrong, but we got it fixed before I mailed it off. So it didn't go to Timbuktu, wherever the heck that's at. So, Angela, send me your information, and I'll have it all boxed up, bagged up, packaged up, whatever, so that when we get ready to do it, you'll have it at your house already. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. You all knew she said that in my ear. So, congratulations, Angela. Woohoo! Bye-bye, everybody. Thanks for watching.
See ya.
Don't forget, sign up for that box.
Oh.